This guide shows how to add notes in the CRM to record important updates and information. Navigate to calsoftgroup.com. Click on Lead from the main menu. Click on Add Note icon in the grid. Enter notes in the description box. And click Save. Next, open the lead to view notes. The previously added note is visible, and you can add a new note by clicking Add a Note. Enter notes in the description box and click Save. Newly added notes can be viewed in this section. Notes can also be added by clicking on Activities. Navigate to Notes tab. Click on Add Note. Enter notes in the description box and click Save. All notes can be viewed in both the Notes tab and the Lead Overview tab.